How to add multiple accounts on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can add multiple accounts on TikTok on same device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your TikTok. Make sure you're logged in into your first account. Then you can head over to your profile by clicking on the bottom right profile option and you'll land on this page right here. After that, what you'll need to do is here you'll see an option with a drop down button right besides your name. Tap on that. After you tap on that, you'll see this switch account option where you can add another account. So you'll see add account option. Tap on it, and from here you can sign up for TikTok or simply log in. So if you already have an account, tap on the login button on the bottom here, and then now you can log in using your phone number, email, or username, or simply continue with Facebook, Apple, or Google. So choose either one, go through the login process, and after you log in, just you will be logged in into that account, and you can switch between accounts by simply tapping on this option again and simply selecting the account that you want. And that way you can add multiple accounts on TikTok. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.